Welcome to the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. My name is Chris Whitehurst. In each episode, I explore a term or a concept you may encounter in a real estate transaction and explain those in a way that I hope is easily understood. This is episode 41 on the listing agreement. This is actually part one in a 12-part series I'm doing on listing your home for sale. The spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the info you need to be ready for the early spring market. The form that we're talking about today is the listing agreement. It gives me the exclusive right to represent you to sell your property. It's a legal contract and document that officially makes me your agent. I've got a previous episode on agency that you may want to go back and check out. This form officially establishes our relationship by defining what our obligations are to each other. It gives the length of the contract, the specifics of your property, the price that we're going to settle on, the fixtures, and any personal property that we're going to convey. There's lots of details in this contract I cover in a form that I use called the seller homework form. That's the next episode. The best part of this series is going to be the cross-referencing. If there's a term you aren't familiar with, one of the other videos are likely going to be covering it. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, YouTube, and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to follow me on Facebook and subscribe on YouTube, and please share with your friends. More great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.